Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery bracket, battery, solid-state drives, hard disk drive assembly, fan, trunk, heatsink fan assembly, system board, display panel assembly, hinge support bracket, and display bezel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables around the hinge brackets for later replacement. Remove the three 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left LCD bracket to the display enclosure. Remove the left LCD bracket from the alignment pins and retention tabs on the display enclosure. The right LCD bracket is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left LCD bracket under the retention clips and onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the three 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left LCD bracket to the display enclosure. The right LCD bracket is replaced in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.